Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel, and for those who just came across my YouTube channel, my name is El and I'm running a website called eleftheriabusinesspr.com, and I'm helping business owners to grow the business online by following strategies that will help them convert more clients. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a couple of tips in relation to how to increase your traffic from Pinterest by using a couple of tips. But remember, first of all, as we speak about Pinterest, there is a couple of things you need to remember. That Pinterest is a search engine, and at the moment they have 400 million active users. So 400 million active users and also 2 billion monthly search. So something for you to remember in order to understand that you really need to work on these strategies to gain traffic and convert more clients. And there is no need for you to say, I get traffic, I get clicks, I get pins, but you don't get sales. You are on Pinterest to make money and sales, so you make sure you monetize everything on Pinterest. However, there is a lot of things you need also to remember, that organic traffic and paid traffic, they're equally important. So another thing to remember is that Pinterest is like Google. So if you use the correct keywords, you will rank in Google as well as on Pinterest on top of Google. So inside my course, I share strategies on how to do that. So I will leave the link below. So if you want to check it out. Another thing that you need to remember in terms of Pinterest is you need to make sure that, for example, you're not flagged as spammy from Pinterest. Pinterest works the same way is working in Google. If you, for example, you go in Google today and you gain a lot of traffic in a couple of months, you know very well, or straight away, Google might think, oh, this person doing something dodgy, and they might flag you as spammy, and they might ban your website. You know that very well. It's the same thing on Pinterest. If you just started, you don't have boards or you don't have anything to pin, and you're pinning a couple of pins, and you're getting views, and you're getting, a lot of pins or the pins straight away, especially with views, then Pinterest will spam you as will flag you as spammy. So you need to make sure you're doing the things the right order in order not to get caught and you have a problem. Because a lot of people, they think by having the same pin, put the same pin down people's throat is not going to help you. You need to make sure you're following strategies and you're growing your account correctly, guys, by doing the boards, creating your own group boards, invite people that are, for example, the similar needs with you or the following you to share pins. And remember that you need many contributors into your group boards, and also you need collaborations in order to grow your business. Now, this is something for you to remember. And something else that you need also to keep in mind is videos. This is some of mine. They're actually I pin a lot of the videos, and I have a lot of successes because videos, this is not a video, sorry. Videos are very actually popular, and they give you a lot of traffic. A lot of bloggers and business owners that don't know that, or the struggle on how to do it. You need to focus on creating content, and you need to pin pins on relevant boards into your main profile in order to gain repins, and you need to push your profile into the smart feed. This is some tips that you need to remember. And also you have a couple of maybe 1 month, because after that in December is going to be like your traffic is going to fail, because people, they're not going to be interested to probably go out, and they're going to have other things. So, or probably they will already purchase their items they want to purchase, so you need to think ahead. So this is some of my videos that I create, and they're very, very popular. So you need to think on creating videos for your blog posts, or videos for your products, and even have a format that you can use over and over again, and rather than struggle and don't know what to do. Remember that we have to make sure as business owners to increase our email list, because this is very important. You're growing a business, email list is very important. If you just want a couple of clicks because, I don't know, you don't have anything to sell, then it's not going to be good for you. You need to have conversions and increase sales. So before the year ends, this is what you need to do. Schedule your pins, or think about what you're going to pin, and create a couple of videos in order to use them again and again. And make sure you're using the right keywords in order to rank on Pinterest and on Google. I'll save those things on my course, and you don't need to struggle. It's very, very easy. You could do it together. You just need to be very, very careful, and you need to be very targeted in order to gain, the organic traffic you need from Pinterest and also from Google, because you can do both at the same time. This is one of my pins, and it has 35 clicks, 7 saves, not many saves, but many clicks, and has 600 something impressions. This is very important for you to understand that you do need to increase your impressions, and you need to learn how to do that, because impressions are very interest on Pinterest. Is going to help you push your profile to smart feed. And again, I say that all of the time. If you are a business owner, you need to have a strategy how to grow your Pinterest account. And of course, we have the scheduler tailwind, but you also need to have content to pin. So you need to have strategy what to pin next month, what to be the month after, and be ready, have a plan on how to convert and get those numbers, because business is a numbers game. So you need to make sure you hit, for example, how many subscribers do you have at present, how many followers do you have at present, and you need to think about those things on how to increase your followers, how to increase your subscribers, and write them down. How many do you have at present? Where do you want to be in 2 or 3 months? And what you need to do to get there is not bad. Everybody does it. If you don't have a team and you struggle, make sure you recruit someone, and have people to help you with this, because we're all of us have a team, and, make sure we have the support we need. And you can find that online. There's a lot of people that, you can recruit, and that can help you grow your business if you struggle. That's it for today. Anything else? Not really. Stay tuned. I download the videos every Thursday at present. If anything changes, I will make sure I'll let you know. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below. Like this video. Let me know if you need any help. And I wish you well.